Hey, so if your keyboard mapping isn't working in LDPlayer, yeah, that can make games basically unplayable. In this video, I'll show you a few quick fixes to get your controls working again. Alright, first, open the keyboard mapping tool again. You can usually find it on the right side toolbar. Sometimes it just needs a quick refresh. Next, try resetting your controls. Clear the current mapping, then reapply or load a default preset. This fixes broken layouts pretty often. Now right-click LDPlayer and run it as administrator. Without proper permissions, keyboard input sometimes doesn't register correctly. Okay, so make sure your game resolution matches your key mapping setup. If the resolution changes, your controls might not line up with the screen. Also, close any apps that might interfere with keyboard input. Things like screen recorders or overlay tools can sometimes block key mapping. If it's still not working, go into LDPlayer settings and switch the input method or enable keyboard compatibility mode if available. And yeah, last option, update LDPlayer to the latest version, or reinstall it completely to fix any bugs causing mapping issues. So yeah, those are the main fixes if keyboard mapping isn't working in LDPlayer. Once it's set up properly, your controls should feel smooth again.